Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some ideas on pallet wall decor. Pallet wall decor has emerged as a popular and versatile trend in the interior design, offering a rustic and eco-friendly touch to homes and commercial spaces alike. These decorative pieces are created using wooden pallets, often salvaged from shipping and industrial uses, and repurposed into imaginative and artistic wall hangings. With their charm, character, and potential for customization, pallet wall decor has captured the hearts of DIY enthusiasts, interior designers, and homeowners seeking a unique and sustainable way to adorn their walls. One of the key attractions of pallet wall decor lies in its rustic appeal. The weathered and distressed look of the reclaimed wood adds warmth and texture to any space, creating an inviting and cozy atmosphere. The imperfections and unique features of each pallet plant tell a story of its own, infusing a sense of history and nostalgia into the decor. This style has a timeless quality that can complement the wide range of interior design themes, from farmhouse and industrial to bohemian and Scandinavian. Pallet wall decor encourages creativity and personalization. Artists and DIY enthusiasts can unleash their imagination by painting, staining, or distressing the wood to suit their individual preferences and the overall ambience of the room. Some may offer a minimalist approach, leaving the wood in its natural state for a simple and raw look, while others may prefer to add colorful patterns or intricate designs to transform the pallets into true pieces of art. Another significant advantage of pallet wall decor is its eco-friendly nature. By repurposing discarded pallets, individuals contribute to sustainability efforts by reducing waste and lowering the demand for new timber. This eco-conscious approach aligns with the growing awareness of environmental issues, making pallet wall decor a responsible and stylish choice for those who wish to minimize their ecological footprint. Pallet wall decor offers a cost-effective solution for decorating large wall spaces. Buying reclaimed pallets or obtaining them for free from local businesses can significantly cut down expenses compared to investing in traditional wall art or wallpaper. With a bit of creativity and DIY skills, anyone can create stunning and budget-friendly wall decor that adds character and personality to their living spaces. Pallet wall decor presents a fantastic way to enhance interior spaces with its rustic charm, customizability, and eco-friendly appeal. Whether used in living rooms, bedrooms, offices, or restaurants, these unique pieces not only serve as eye-catching focal points, but also reflect creativity and values of the individual who choose to incorporate them in their surrounding. So, whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or someone looking to add a touch of originality to your home, consider pallet wall decor as a creative and sustainable option to express your style and contribute to a greener planet. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas, and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.